Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Homewerks, the 7130602HW bathroom vent fan with automatic humidity sensor. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom ventilation, stick around because this might just be the perfect solution for you. The Homewerks 7130602HW stands out as a top-tier bathroom fan with some impressive features. It's equipped with a powerful 140 CFM motor, designed specifically for larger rooms up to 140 square feet. What's great about this fan is its whisper-quiet operation at only 1.0 zone, ensuring that it efficiently removes moisture and odors without disrupting your bathroom tranquility. Let's talk about what sets this fan apart. Firstly, it comes with an automatic humidity sensor. This means it intelligently detects the humidity levels in your bathroom and adjusts its operation accordingly. No more worrying about excess moisture causing mold or mildew. This fan kicks into action precisely when needed. In terms of performance, the 140 CFM ensures robust airflow, swiftly clearing out steam and odors, which is perfect for those steamy showers or busy mornings. It's Energy Star rated too, so you're not only getting efficiency but also saving on energy costs in the long run. Looking at its design, it features a classic electric fan layout, which blends seamlessly with most bathroom aesthetics. Installation is straightforward, with options for ceiling or wall mounting, making it versatile for various bathroom setups. From a user perspective, the fan operates quietly while delivering strong suction power, as noted by its high customer ratings. The red and green LED indicator lights make it easy to see when it's in humidity sensing mode or adjusting speed settings. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a bathroom fan that combines power, efficiency, and smart technology, the Homewerks 7130602HW is a solid choice. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or starting fresh, its automatic humidity sensing and quiet operation make it a standout in its category. That's it for today's review on the Homewerks 7130602HW bathroom vent fan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.